Gloria tapos gitara. So, I made a wish. And speaking of prayer, alam niyo ba yung thoughts is a prayer? Yung iniisip mo lang is already a prayer. Yung wish mo is a prayer. Tapos pag may sinabi ka, it's a prayer. Kapag may ginawa ka, it's a prayer. That's the theology of prayer. So I made a wish, right there and then sabi ko, Lord, sana yung mga bata sa CCBC makatugtog din. And we started, sabi ko kay Pastor Lourdes, pwede ba makapagtulong ka doon sa Claveria? And they started communicating with April hanggang sa nagawa nga po itong 1 week na pag-aaral. But gusto ko lang pong i-highlight din ito. Alam niyo po si Pastor Lourdes Aswin, hindi ko lang po siya friend. He's not just a close friend. I have a lot of friends. I have a lot of close friends. But mabilang sa tudlo ang akong special friend. And I consider him as one of my very special friend. In fact, a brother from another mother. We started our friendship